Hi guys, this is Josh Jones. Thank you for visiting my channel. Today I want to teach you how to make $100 in just one site. Just one site will make $100 for you. Stay tuned, we'll get right into it.
Alright guys, welcome inside my computer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down this site so you guys can see exactly what's in there. Now I will leave the description or the link in the description. You guys can go ahead and feel free to go through the site yourself on a manual basis. But for now I'm just going to go ahead and show you what this site has to offer. So as you see, there's contact, constant contact, lead pages. Some of these you may already know about. Some of these are actually ones you may not know about. There's Fiverr. So I'm just scrolling down so you can see there's 66 of these. Now each one of these programs have their own setup, their own sign up, and a way for you to make money through their affiliate program. I've wanted to show you this one site so you can see that you actually can make as much money as you are able to sell. So we're going to keep on going through here. I'm really impressed with how much affiliate marketing products are out there, or services are out there available. There's Constant Contact again, even iTunes, which was a shocker for me when I first saw this. So let's see, still going. I mean, there's a variety of affiliate programs for you to choose. Of course, it's totally up to you what you select and what you want to promote and market. I personally used ClickBank. So when I find that, I'm going to stop for a few minutes, give you an idea of what ClickBank is. I personally have done quite well, and there it is right there. So it's a huge range of products available, and it covers all the markets from health to digital services, which is really cool because not only are you have physical products that you can sell or that you can promote, I should say, but you also got digital, such as courses and programs, softwares. And they make a 50 to 75% commission. Alright, we'll continue on through here now. Let's see what else we can find. Blue Snap, I haven't heard of that. But anyways, you guys are more than welcome to go through this site yourself and see what it's all about. Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps to financial freedom. If you like this video, please smash the like button, or if you don't like it, smash the dislike. Leave a comment below to give me some feedback. If this is your first time, please subscribe and hit the bell for notification to be informed when I make my next video available to you. As always, remember, be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.